I'm Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm here to share with you a little haul that I got from In Love Art. I've been dying to get it. It's been stuck in Canada mail forever, so it's been, yeah, I've been really dying to get it because they approached me during the holidays to ask if I was interested in doing another collaboration, and I said, of course, yes, I would love it. And I chose a bunch of different little things, and I've been wanting to play with them so much, but then, like I said, they mailed it out, and the Canada Post has been really slow, so it took forever for the things to arrive. Okay, so one of them, and all the products will be in the description box below. Like I said, they provided this free of charge to me, so that I can share it with you guys, and I can make some stuff, and I can show you guys how it can be used. It's very inexpensive and super fun things, and one of them is this tiny little pack of paper. Check that out. It's just so cute, and it has all little illustrations. And I just thought it was going to be so much fun to use on top of ATCs and that sort of thing. So that's why I got them, because there's so many of them, and they're really cute. There's all kinds. We've got birds. We've got, I saw a little rabbit. Some butterflies, and then in the back you've got this here, which is kind of a vellum. Isn't that cool? Like, this is so cool. You can see it's really neat. I love this for collaging and stuff. It's just going to be so much fun to layer and things. So I really love this little set. It's really nice, really cool. There's all kinds, like I said, all kinds of different things. This is a little library card. It's jam packed full of wonderful goodies, and it's very small. So I was thinking, like, this is the type of stuff that you can bring if you're traveling, which I'm hoping one day we can travel again. And you can use these as ephemera bits, or, you know, as a collage element in some of your stuff. It's just, there's so many different ones. It's really cool. So that's this, and you're going to be seeing more of it in upcoming videos. And then there's this beautiful stamp set, which had all kinds of little flowers and little leaves and things, and I thought this would be great for little ATCs and stuff. I'm really into that. So here we go. Isn't it cool? And they're very tiny, so that's just perfect for little makes, because I've got a lot of bigger ones. So it was kind of nice to have smaller ones. They're about 3/4, about half sometimes, and some 3/4 of an inch. So very small. So really fun. And then there's this here, this flower type of die. Which I thought was really nice as well. I'm looking forward to playing with it and seeing what it does. And then finally this here, which I was very intrigued with this because it's kind of like, it's lace paper. Comes in this beautiful little pouch. And I'm going to be using this, reusing this for sure. And look at the beautiful lace paper. Probably move this so you can see it better on the black. So we've got that one. You've got this one. This one. This one here. So far there's no repeats. They look like they're all different. Beautiful little hearts. Yeah, they're all different. Which is very cool. So these I thought would be really great in collage element because that's what I do mostly. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in a set. So it's gonna be great fun to use these things. So you will be seeing more of these items soon. But yeah, I'm just very happy and anxious to get going. I'll probably be making some ATCs so that I can use the little stamp and I can already do some collage and use some of these because they're just so much fun. It's just so cute. So cute. Ah, and I just saw a dragonfly. Yeah. So I hope you like this. Go and check them out in the description box below, the links to the different items, and I will be seeing you soon with more makes from this. Bye!